Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to call this video Work Smarter, Not Harder, because I'm going to eliminate some steps to make it a little easier. I'm going to draw a rectangle and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to take an ellipse. I'm going to make it a little bigger this time. But I don't want a perfect circle. I want a oval. And if I grab it right here, it'll snap to there. That's what I want. I don't want any leaks. So I can take this line down, it'll snap to there, hit the plus key on the keyboard, but grab it over here so it will snap to there. Now I need one more line to really make it look a little better. Let me take one more line and have it snap to this corner. I could have made that line longer. Now I'm going to take another line and put it right in the center, P. That way, you'll see in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and use that orange. I like that orange. Fill that in and fill that in. I have no leaks. So I'm going to take this, get the interactive fill tool, and go up into that fold and put some darkness. Too much, a little bit. And then I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to put a little darkness on the back side. Now, what's so good about this, now I can fill this in with orange. I don't want to get rid of my box, but I want to get rid of these lines. So I'm going to delete all the lines, but I want to leave my rectangle. Now I can group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate it, grab that right there and mirror it over. So I'm eliminating to have that do that, and I'm eliminating from them looking different. I'm going to Control G, I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to mirror it, and then holding down the control button, I don't even have to really go to that line, but if I grab that four-sided cross, you know what? I don't think I was holding down the control button. So grab the four-sided cross, hold down the control button, so it'll snap to it. Now, there could possibly be lines right there in the middle. So what we're going to do, we're going to ungroup everything. And I'm going to take that. Well, I got to ungroup all. I very seldom ever use ungroup all. And I'm going to grab that square, nudge it over twice. And this way I'm making it all look the same. Now I can take my Smart Fill tool, fill that in. And there are some little bitty lines you might not be able to see. I can see it right there. You could try to select it all and weld it, or we could make it and see if we take left click, right click. Now there's no lines. Now I'd like to get rid of my rectangle and move that over. And there you have it. Now, there could be a little bit of a line here with that separation. So you could always give it a orange outline and it'll go away. Anyway, turn it into a black box. And I suggest if you're going to do this, maybe make your scroll a little bit bigger. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.